Are you ready? Yes. Let's move on to today's content. Just 10 about cigarettes. Tobacco is the leading preventable cause of death in the world today. There are approximately 600 ingredients in cigarettes. When burned, they create more than 7,000 chemicals. At least 69 of these chemicals are known to cause cancer and many are poisonous. Tobacco is the only legal consumer product that kills people when used as intended. It kills up to 50% of users. Smoking cigarettes was considered healthy until the 1950s. In 1955, cigarettes were sold in vending machines that only accepted quarters. But a pack of cigarettes cost only 23 cents. Instead of raising the price, cigarette manufacturers included 2 pennies in the package. Cigarette butts are environmentally toxic and the most littered item in the world. Urban birds line their nest with discarded cigarette butts to ward off parasitic mites. Nicotine acts as an organic pesticide. Nearly 9 out of 10 smokers first tried cigarettes before finishing high school. More than 3,200 children and teens smoke their first cigarette every day. Nearly 1 in 3 young smokers will eventually die early from a tobacco related disease. 1.9 billion people worldwide will still be smoking cigarette in 2020. The cities of Douglas and Cottonwood have raised the legal tobacco age to 21. E-cigarettes, which means an electronic cigarette, is an electronic device that stimulates tobacco smoking. It consists of an atomizer, a power source such as battery, and a container such as cartridge or tank. Instead of smoke, the user inhales vapor. As such, using an e-cigarette is often called vaping. The e-cigarette liquid typically contains nicotine, propylene, glycol, diacetyl, flavorings, and other chemicals. Nicotine is the addictive drug found in regular cigarettes and other tobacco products. E-cigarette use continues to rise. 1.6 million school students and 5 lakhs middle school students currently use e-cigarettes. 27.5% of Arizona high schoolers use e-cigarettes. Cigarette smokers suffer more stress than both non-smokers and those who have quit. Smoking cigarettes elevates levels of male sex hormones in women. The Indonesian toddler Arti Rizal, who started smoking when he was just 18 months old, has quit the habit of smoking 40 cigarettes a day, but now got addicted to junk food. 258 billion cigarettes were sold in the US last year. That's enough for every person on earth to smoke more than one cigarette every day for a month. Tobacco kills more Americans every year than AIDS, drugs and alcohol, car accidents, gun violence, murder, suicides, and fires combined. More than 4,80,000 Americans die each year of smoking. 7 in 10 adult smokers in the US wish they could quit completely. A company invented a cigarette with zero effects on health in 1960, XA cigarette, but all tobacco companies came together to save their cigarette business and force this company to kill the safer cigarette. This could save millions of lives, but business won over humanity. On average, smoking will cut 13 years of your life expectancy. It takes 21 days to stick to or to get rid from a habit. If you went 21 days without something, it means you can go whole life without it. Exercising helps you quit smoking. According to research, withdrawal symptoms and cravings for cigarettes decrease during exercise. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. Subscribe for more informative videos.